This is an era of qualitative change. The study, breakthrough, and innovation happen quietly in the factory. The thoroughly tempered steel forest bears fruit with temperature due to someone to bring it more comfortable and safer bathing experience to more families. They depict the time of a child's growth with the warmth of the palm as a father. R&D engineers for improving the product and optimizing the process and treat the product like a child, which is the craftsman's bigotry. The product becomes maturer and more excellent due to careful selection of materials, integrated assembly, precision measurement, and strict and affectionate persistence. The most efficient release of each part can be realized based on the integration of Japanese fan downside platform. A new closed steady burning structure and a high-quality closed steady burning chamber are formed by the perfect combination of parts to build a safer and more efficient burning platform for gas water heaters. The upgrade of heat exchanger assembly line and automatic stamping equipment is used to achieve people's higher pursuit of water heaters, and the water heaters become more excellent by highly intelligent automatic pipe bending technology and high-purity oxygen-free copper material. Experienced and forged by highly intelligent helium gas detection equipment, the user's interests are protected by reaching the acme of perfection, and the quietest care is offered to users by the new noise room and the upgrade of vibration value test. The gas water heater with a closed steady burning chamber refreshes the industry standard and creates a classic industry legend. They are hire staff, devoting all their energies to the gas water heater. After making a technological breakthrough with great concentration for 21 years, the intelligent high-tech manufacturing platform was introduced to the Phase 5 production line of higher gas winter heater Chongqing Factory in 2020 to carry out multiple upgrades of technologies, processes, and supporting facilities from manufacture to intelligence to make better products based on 136 processes and 12 tests. With space as the basis and with time as the note, lead the fine workmanship of water heater and create an era of ingenuity with great care. With the upgrade of industry, intelligence builds the future.